Hey guys, what is going on? This is Anthony or Project Nova Zero, and today I wanted to show you one issue I'm having with the PS3 I just got repaired. So this is the one I sent in for a reball. I paid the extra $20 to fix it. They gave me a $10 discount, which is I'm fine with, I don't care. Anyways, this is how it is, like when it starts up and just going into the main menu, and see how bad it gets. This is a video to the seller to see if there's anything we can do about it. Alrighty, seems pretty quiet when it first boots up, and then you'll see it starts kicking in. First notch, second notch, third notch, fourth notch. I think there's one more. Yep. And if you leave it longer, it actually gets a bit louder. Yep, there it goes. Alright. Let me get the remote. Sorry, one moment. Yeah, I got the remote. Turning on the PS3. But you can see, it's just in the main menu. That's all. You know? So, I don't know. I left it on for about 3 hours, like during the one test, and it never went up in fan speed, but it also never went down. So I don't know what to do. Again, this is a video for the eBay seller, and when you can, please message me, like, if I'm able to open it up, if I'm allowed to, if that will void the warranty, or do I have to send it back because of the warranty, and you guys fix it? I don't know what to do. Anyways, thank you for watching, and this is Project Nova Zero. Talk to you next time.